Hello, today's topic? At the cooking class.
Welcome to today's cooking class.
Thank you for having us.
Today we'll be learning to make pasta.
Pasta sounds delicious.
First, we need to make the dough.
How much flour do we need?
We'll need 2 cups of flour.
And how many eggs?
2 eggs should do the trick.
Let's mix them together in a bowl.
Should we add any salt?
Yes, a pinch of salt will enhance the flavor.
Now we knead the dough until smooth.
It's important to knead it well.
Once the dough is ready, we roll it out.
We want it thin like a sheet.
Then we can cut it into strips for noodles.
What type of sauce are we making?
We'll make a classic marinara sauce.
That sounds tasty.
We'll need tomatoes, garlic, and herbs.
And don't forget the olive oil.
Let's heat the oil in a pan.
Then we saute the garlic until golden.
Next, we add the tomatoes and herbs.
Simmer the sauce for about 20 minutes.
In the meantime, we can cook the pasta.
Boil water, then add the noodles.
Cook until al dente, then drain.
Now we toss the pasta in the sauce.
And it's ready to serve.
Let's plate it up and enjoy our homemade pasta.
Bon appetit.
Vocabulary.
Cook. Class. Pasta. Dough. Flour. Egg. Salt. Knead. Smooth. Roll. Noodles. Sauce. Tomato. Garlic. Herbs. Olive. Oil. Heat. Pan. Plate.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.